Good evening, Unandal. I'm Dr. G. Vincent. I'm going to explain topic life insurance for the subject elements of insurance. And learning objectives for this session is what is the importance of life insurance for individual and the importance of life insurance for the business. And the importance of life insurance can be broadly divided into two major heads. One is from the individual's point of view, from business point of view. From the individual point point of view, these are the importance for an individual: family protection, old age relief, compulsory savings, provision to make children's needs, provision for special needs, tax reliefs, and protection. So these are the importance as far as the individual is concerned. For the business people, for the business is concerned, business continuation, insurance of a key men, employee welfare plans, the enhancement in credit worthiness, facilitates economic growth, and finally, the life insurance gives or the provides social security. Now we will see importance of life insurance from individuals' perspectives. Number one comes family protection. So the life of a family is dependent on the head of the family or the breadwinner. If head of the family dies or meets with some accident, leaving his wife and family a completely a helpless situation. So at such situations, life insurance provides funds, finance to the family members. Thus, family will be completely protected. And the second importance for an individual is that it is an old age relief. A person, by taking life insurance policy, can make provisions for his or her old age and may lead the life of comfort and happiness. So this is an very important importance for the individual. Another importance is that it's a compulsory savings. Taking the life insurance encourages one to economize and save one's hard earned money compulsorily. And when the income is limited and dependents are many, so in this situation, it is very difficult to save money regularly. But somehow, if some money is saved, it could be expended by momentary inducement, but when a person purchases a life insurance policy, he can easily continue a long term saving plan by regular payment of premiums. And the fourth importance from individual perspective is that life insurance, there is a provision to meet children needs. The life insurance companies issue some schemes by which policyholder can make provisions for meeting the needs of his children, like expenditure of higher education or marriage, etc. In a sense that life insurance provides assistance to a policyholder to educate his children and make their bright careers. The marriage expenditures can easily be met. And this is an example. There are almost all the players of life insurance, they come up with a different attractive plan for children, especially. So, Jeevan Tarun is LIC's plan, which is meant for children. So, like this, there are plenty of schemes available by each company, and when the family takes this children plan, automatically when the child grows and go to the higher education, so that time the money can be matured and they can get that money and meet the expenditure when they go for higher education. Then fifth importance of life insurance policy is provision for some special need. In case of contingencies or emergency needs of the family, the loan can be obtained on the basis of security upon life insurance policy. Yeah, when the policyholders has taken some policies, and by using that policy they can get portion of amount from the insurance company. For example, suppose somebody has taken insurance policy from SBI Life, for instance. If there is an emergency for need, then they can approach the SBI Life office, and amount paid they can get maybe 50% or 60% or 75%. So again, it is a security for the individual to meet some emergency position. For instance, if a person unfortunately becomes physically disabled or meets an accident, falls seriously ill, he will have to be admitted to a hospital where he will have to incur a lot of money on medical treatment. So in this situation, if a person has got or taken some insurance in his name, definitely the expenditure will be met by the insurance company. And tax relief is another importance why the people take insurance. Insurance, of course, plays a major role, or it is both used for investment as well as the compensation. So another fantastic feature of insurance, a life insurance, is that it gives the individual policyholder a tax relief. And payment of the life insurance premium at certain tax relief is given to the assessment in the assessment of income tax. For computing income tax, the premium of life insurance are allowed to be deducted from the taxable income. So for salaried class, whenever they are filing income tax return, they show income tax policy or insurance policy under section 80C, and they get exemption. Nomination. By this facility, the policyholder obtains a right to decide to whom insurance amount be paid after his death. Hence, nominee can get the insurance amount very easily. Importance of life insurance from business point of view. Business continuation. Insurance of key men, employee welfare plan facilitates economic growth and social security. First one, business continuation. Life insurance helps the traders and business partners to avoid possible interruption due to accident and death of one partner's proprietor or key men, and continue their business or before. A sole trader, for example, a sole trader can leave sufficient funds for his family so that after his death, his legal heirs may continue his business without any anxiety. In the same manner, at the time of death of a partner, the firm has to pay back his capital, the share of goodwill, profit, etc. But by taking the joint insurance policy on lives of partners, the problem gets solved without putting financial burden on the firm. The second point of importance of life insurance from business perspectives is insurance of a key man. Business firm depends on some very important persons like technicians, managers, executive directors, etc. Such key men are responsible by virtue of their expertise, knowledge, skill, and experience for prosperity and development of the firm. Unfortunately, if such a key person dies, it disrupts the work or work. Sometimes the entire business may collapse. Insurance helps the businessman to ensure the lives of such key employees and avoid such risks. And the third importance from business point of view is that employee welfare scheme. Group insurance policies are taken by which the responsibility of paying the compensation or other benefits to the employees is automatically transferred to the insurance company. The risk is that is the risk from company is transferred to insurance company when they have joint insurance policy, that is group insurance policy. As the employees are covered under the policies from the risk of death, illness, and accident, their sense of gratitude towards the firm increases and they develop respect for the company that they are associated with. And the fourth importance is it facilitates economic growth. The role performed by life insurance in the economic development or economic growth of a country has been significantly important. By providing huge funds, life insurance companies can accelerate the process of economic growth. The mobilization of huge resources and their investment in various productive activities leads to industrialization, creation of better infrastructure, provision of funds to companies in private sector, etc. And the last importance from business point of view is that social security. Yes, life insurance gives social securities. The various schemes implemented by the life insurance companies providing protection to a weaker section of the society, the artisans, farmers, landless laborers, etc., takes care of some of the social problems such as unemployment, old age, disability, premature death, and medical care of the aged. In the absence of insurance, that is, in the absence of life insurance, the victims of these calamities would have become burdened to the society or on the society. Thus, life insurance helps maintain social security and stability. For example, we have Pradhan Mantri scheme Ayush Bharat. This is a health coverage up to Indian rupee 5 lakh per family per year for secondary and tertiary care hospitalization. And there are many schemes available by the government as well as various insurance companies operating in India. Thank you for patient listening.